Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the garage and have been working with the Lexus RX400 hybrid, and we had some rust problems and had to get it through an MOT control, and yeah, some more stuff for the car here in the post, because the rust could come from different things. I think I have found where it come in and make the problem on this car, but also trying to stop it from happen other places here now. So let's say the mud guards, flares, flaps, what you call it. Coming with screws. And some instruction. Okay. Yeah. Here. Actually, luckily me, stand here. Rear right, I believe. But what we're going to do now is on the back side here. This one is supposed to go here. That was not as I was hoping. Okay. Then maybe I can make someone stronger by pushing in. Pushing in the lock system in the back. There. At least that one is much stronger. This one is difficult. Up here is kind of easy. There. There is so few screws. So how can this be? How can we be doing things like this? Three screws I have in there. I use 3 for other and I have 2 left. Yeah, I can do the same on the other side too. Put it in a clip, so stop it a little from moving that way too. In the front, here we have some other type of screws that we have to. As I remember, is one like this there too. And then it's one screw that is supposed to be right under here, that I have to use the drill. Okay. Much better, because the shit is going on the outside of this, not inside. There. That one, and then we have supposed to have one screw underneath there somewhere. It's inside here somewhere. Then I have to use one of the new screws. One screw. One screw up here and the bolts up here. Then this is on the right place. Now I have to get up from the floor and go over and do the other side. Yeah. Then it's on this side too. Sorry about the light. My wire wasn't long enough and I just have to finish this. Now I just have to check some screws and say that I'm finished with the door seal. The problem with the everything metallic inside here is that the plate in here, it was completely open, so sand was going in and into behind here and make it start rusting. So now finished that, I just have to put in a screw here again, I see. Also on the other side here I'm missing one of the parts where this is supposed to sit because it was rusted out under there. Here put in new metallic plates, glued in, and with crimpers at the, also hold it in, so stopping shit from coming in. New mud guards front and back, so that's good. Yeah, at least I feel that I've been able to do something. Now I just have to find the screws and put in the one missing here, so I don't have this one jumping more up and down than necessary. I also had to plastic weld on this one because it had been ruined, so I have a video where I was testing out some plastic welding stuff. So a little by little I'm fixing it. Yeah, thank you for coming by. Please come back. Please go and follow some other videos. I have started to be some videos from this RX400 hybrid now, and I have a lot of other videos. This may be video 750 on my channel, so it should be some videos from a lot of car meets, fixing cars, a lot of Land Cruisers, Camrys, other Toyotas, yeah, a lot of things. There's a little code in the garage, and also I'm just saying good night and I go in and pick up my car keys and trying to get one of the boys, maybe I should say, to get Kevin to his practice in Trondheim. It's a half-an-hour drive to practice. So thank you. Please come back. Please put a like on the video. Please put comments. Thank you.